Hi, this is Maureen Zamakajeni Ndlovu. I'm back again this week with chapter 2. She easily dips into dark corner. Remember, this is her journey. This is her journey through depression, through surviving depression. She has done the first review for the first chapter. Now she's doing the second chapter. It's actually reliving the darkness that she was in. And it's okay to be vulnerable and show others that you can survive this and be a normal person again. Let's help each other. There's a lot that you cannot explain while you're at it. But what I did, I started this project while I was experiencing it, trying to explain it clearly to the next person that says, you know what, I think I feel the same way. What she's saying, maybe it can help me. Today, in this chapter, where she's drawn back to this dark hole, I'll read just a small part of it. And remember, you can still have hope after the sunset. So I'll start reading. Sorry. The moment she is left alone, the darkness starts, draws her in, and surrounds her and shuts her. Sorry. Well, I'm healing now. I'm in that journey. Her past traumas comes running to her mind. Then she's easily gone deeper in the dark waters. She tries to fight it off, but it becomes a battle in her mind. The thoughts that ain't wanted, they crisscross her mind and she loses it. She'll be in the dark corner as long as it takes. If someone catches her in the middle of those dark thoughts, she's likely to snap for no reason. She screams for no reason. Sorry. Her voice is always high to bite someone's head off. Poor kids she mothered. The little one always asked her, "Why are you always shouting?" Truth is, she rarely shouts even when it's not needed. She feels like someone has just disturbed her while she was floating in her darkness and in her demons. It's something that really you cannot transfer it to the next person when we're explaining it. I hear many people, they're saying, you live beautiful world and many people and your kids. That's a selfish doing. In fact, truly and honestly, when the time comes, you don't remember who rely on you. You don't remember that you are a mother. You don't remember that you are a father. You don't remember that you are a sister. You don't remember that you are a daughter. You don't remember nothing. It just tells you to do it. It became darker than this. But please do subscribe on my channel. Walk this journey with me. In my YouTube channel that's called Maureen Ndlovu, ask questions. Let's have a conversation. Comment, share. Bring people that you can see they're struggling. Let them listen. Let them try and get help. We're all together. Let them reach out. Thank you so much for having me, and I love you. Thanks.